This video explains how to buy shares of Carclo Plc, a UK engineering group known for precision polymer components and optical solutions. It trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker CAR.L, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To start, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your account to be able to buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CAR.L to find the listing. Confirm you locate the Carclo Plc entry and select the correct result before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for Carclo Plc to help confirm the listing. Verify the company details and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. To place a trade, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. After the order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.